how to log in to Target account. So if you want to log in to Target account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Target, and then you can go to the first search which says www.target.com. click on that, and now to log in or to sign in you have to simply go to the upper right corner which says sign in, and then you have to click on sign in again, and it will take you to the sign in page. So now to sign in, first you have to enter your email address, but I have already saved my account on my laptop, so I don't have to enter that email address. But if you're logging in first time, then you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you will have this kind of page. So you have to simply enter your password, and after entering your password you have to simply click on sign in. But if you forgot your password, then you have to click on forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then you have to simply enter your password, and then you have to click on sign in. And this one is to add your mobile number, but if you don't want to add your mobile number, then you can skip this part by simply clicking on skip and scroll all the way down and again click on skip. So that's it. That's how you log in or sign into Target account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.